In this tutorial, we will learn how to draw a 3D model in AutoCAD. For that, we need to go here, go to 3D modeling, click here. Okay. Now click here, go to AC isometric. Now this coordinate is showing here. Uh, let's select this. Right click here in the blue color box. Right click and UCS icon settings. So UCS icon at origin. So it will move here. Now let's draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle here. I want to draw here. You can specify the dimension, x-axis and y-axis dimension you can specify. Okay. Now for 3D, click here, pre-spool. Then click the object and move the cursor. This will be the z-axis. You can put the dimension also. Press enter. Okay. So this is now outline rectangular diagram. So for 3D for 3D we can click here and click shaded with edges or shaded. Okay, shaded with edges. Now this solid box will come. Okay, we can turn off the grid also. Okay, so this box is created now. We can define the color also. Suppose light color. Okay, you can rotate with the help of this orbit. You can rotate. Okay, so we have created this rectangle. Now let's say we can create some other uh, suppose these are the predefined shapes are there available. Suppose this cone. We want to create a cone here. Just specify the base point. Click here and move the cursor. Move the cursor up or down. You can specify the height. Click enter. Okay, this is cone. We can change. We can create layer also for different colors. Let's say another one, yellow. Okay, we will work here. So the color will be yellow. Click here. Suppose you want to draw us here. Okay, you can specify the radius also. Okay, let's draw another one. Suppose pyramid. You can specify the height. Okay, let's create another layer. For this, we'll select different color here, not this one, this color. Okay, let's create a sphere. Specify the center point. Sorry, we need to go to that layer, layer 2. Now sphere. You can specify the radius of this sphere. Okay, so in this way we can draw 3D view. We can customize with the help of these layer tools, the colors or which layer will be on and off. Suppose this is the current layer. Suppose I want to turn off this yellow layer, so this is turned off. Suppose we want to turn off this layer, so it will not be there. So like this. Turn off this layer. This will not be shown here again. So in this way we can start the 3D, but the starting point is here only. You need to check here 3D modeling, then you can create 3D model. Let's see the help of orbit.